Hello, for those of you who don't know me already, my name is M. If you're a military, law enforcement, or civilian gun handler, I'd like to give you some ideas of how warrior spirit fitness can increase your basic tactical abilities. What you see here is one of my secret agents turning in full circles with his pistol at the ready, scanning as if there are potential danger areas above him. The doors and windows to the left are out of play. The reason he's doing this is to simply demonstrate the movement stability and fluidity he has built by doing the stick fighting drills, called Warrior Spirit Fitness, that were developed by Q Branch in order to help Agent 007 stay fit while in the field. He's also demonstrating the similarity between the stick fighting movements and tactical gunfighting movements. Here's a small segment from a stick drill where a trainee must kneel down, then quickly spring back up out of the kneeling position. It correlates with clearing a corner from a knee, which can be performed alone, but is often performed during a high-low corner clear with a partner. The footwork for stepping offline of an attack and delivering a counter-attack with a stick is the same as the footwork for clearing a corner. Here's the same footwork moving to the right. In this example, our agent is correlating a couple of stick strikes to a one-person room clear in which the agent does not want to actually enter the room, but instead clear it from outside. He is moving around outside the room to see as much of the inside of the room as possible from the outside. Then he must move up to the door and quickly scan left and right to see into the corners that were not visible from outside the room. Notice that the body mechanics for quickly scanning right and left with the pistol are the same body mechanics used to swing the stick right and left. Now let's look at making a right turn to the corner when entering the room, then scanning from right to left. Notice how this turn with the stick correlates with the footwork and body mechanics of the right to left scan. The reason our agent is able to move this quickly while still remaining stable enough to engage targets with precise accuracy is because of his footwork and the strong core muscles he has built by training with the stick. Our agent has been looking forward to engage threats inside the room before crossing the plane of the door, but this time he is going straight to the corner, as is the practice of some highly trained counter-terrorist units when they are operating in teams and have other team members to cover the remaining sectors of fire in the room. Now here's a stick turn to the right. Notice how it correlates with going left into the room with the gun, then scanning from left to right. Some people might say this movement speed is too fast to engage targets. Well, for the people who say that, it is certainly true. However, let me assure you that with some practice, our secret agents can put 2 rounds between the eyes of every bad guy at speeds faster than this. And yes, they can accurately target discriminate at this speed partly because of the quick reaction and decisiveness that is developed and honed during the stick fighting training. Notice the consistency in our agent's movement, and notice how stable the weapon is as it sweeps across the room. This can only be achieved through consistent practice. That's partly why practicing a fitness routine that builds up this kind of movement is so important. Now here's one quick example of a weapon retention situation. Imagine someone is trying to grab the agent's gun out of his holster. In this case, he must quickly reach down to grab the hands of the assailant, drop his body weight, then deliver a powerful forearm strike to the assailant's brachial plexus origin like you can see here. Notice the step to the left, just like it was shown earlier with both the stick and the gun. Also, take note of the spin. Do you see a correlation? A couple other benefits of stick training is that it builds up finger dexterity and hand strength which aid in such things as weapon recoil management, weapon handling, reloading, as well as emergency and remedial actions. By the way, did I mention that doing Warrior Spirit Fitness will build your ability to wield just about any object as an improvised weapon? And if that's not enough, there's a whole lot more. Thank you for watching this briefing. I hope to see you in our secret agent training program. Stay safe out there.